Would you consider a career in Chinese medicine? You'll have a chance to experience it in the most immersive way at Five Branches University's TCM Mini Fair. A series of trial courses, complimentary TCM treatments, and hands-on workshops will be available. You'll gain first-hand experience and knowledge behind energy healing, herbs, dietetics, and so much more. Discover the advantages of our dual degree program and its economical and shorter option. In addition, you will meet knowledgeable admissions advisors, passionate current students, and established alumni. Whether you are a TCM enthusiast or are just starting to explore the profound universe of TCM, see for yourself the power of TCM healing and learn what TCM education is all about. Mark your calendars and save your spot. Discovery awaits you here at Five Branches University.